What's up guys, my name is Maja_KE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here guys, kindly consider subscribing, sharing and watching the video till the end guys. I'm coming live from Villa Medellin. Yes, so guys, we are at Villa Medellin. So we have a friend here from Rwanda.
What's up my people? MGANZ Chronicles here. I got a YouTube channel called MGANZ Chronicles.
Kindly support him. Road to success, or road to
success, of course.
To
success. My success is 1,000 subscribers now. Because I'm new already. I'm new and I'm doing amazing videos. You guys should go check it out.
Okay, so guys, go check him out at
MGANZ Chronicles.
MGANZ Chronicles.
He will be putting it down in the description.
By the way, be putting it down. So guys, go check him. Road to 1,000 subscribers. You know where we touch, we leave a mark. The village Buga, they call me guys. Let's support him. Road to 1,000 subscribers. We can have a chat here, and we also have our dad here from Jamaica.
Jamaican uncle, man. It's right here, man.
How are you?
I'm good, you know. I come here to enjoy the village, man, which I've been watching for so long. Man. And I didn't even know that I could make it possible. But God make it possible for me, man.
So and how do you feel the village, the vibe in the village?
The vibe in the village right now, it makes me feel so strong and vibrant. Like I have a lot more energy than when I was in Jamaica or in the US. You know? I feel so vibrant.
It's so cool here.
Cool and nice.
Especially the forest.
We're just coming from the forest there, man. The forest is so nice, man. I didn't even want to come out there, trust me.
Sure. Can have a cold drink there.
Man.
And have you gone around maybe Nyabuhansi?
No, I don't do much traveling yet, but I'm gonna do it.
We did it yesterday. We went to the border.
The border. The border is right here. You can by the way walk.
Okay.
Just right here.
We would love to.
One day we're gonna do it. You know?
Even for me, when I want to go to the border, maybe doing video. I just walk from home.
And
I pass here. Going to the border. It's a shortcut here.
That's
and
good.
also to Tanzania.
It's just right here. I want to go over there one day at the border.
By foot.
By foot. You step one foot
here and the other foot there. I want to be there.
We need pictures.
Where they have the post. It's just here.
Just
Okay.
Maybe I'll take you when you're free. Maybe.
Man. I appreciate it.
Tomorrow?
No, remember we have a plan for tomorrow.
What was it?
No, man. Remember we're going to leave early, and we're going to take care of
Mayuguno.
No, not Mayuguno. I want to go over Mayuguno because I think he's going to do some casting too. But we have to do a little running first. You change, and also you're going to take me somewhere. Gitty, we're going to take me somewhere.
Maybe Tuesday?
Are
you available on Tuesday?
I'm available any day.
The thing is that Tuesday, I would love if I could get a goat. Man, because there's an old man working on top and he's leaving on Tuesday. I would like to kill a goat, let him eat before he goes.
I would love that. Nice of you.
I would love that. So
a goat, you know, you have to go to the market maybe on Sunday or Thursday.
Well,
actually, that's what
but Gitriba told me that in another, what do you call it again? Miguri, you say? Mabera, you can get it on Monday.
Monday. So Migori is on Monday.
So I would go there. We'll go there and get it because I would like to accommodate him inside there.
That is very nice.
I would love
but
that.
You know, the largest market that we have here in I think is East Africa. Is at Mabera. It's the largest.
Whoa. One day I want to go there.
So it works on Monday.
It works on Sunday and Thursdays.
I want to go there one day because I watch you guys a lot go there.
It's very big.
Yes, we got to go on Thursday.
It's very big and very nice.
I want to go there.
You can get chicken. You can get goats. You can get anything you want. They sell also some clothes. Like you can get everything.
I need some African
like
shirt and
the Korean cultural clothes.
I need it.
I love the Korean culture.
Yeah.
I really want to break it through to my people. For sure.
Okay.
I'm interested.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was talking to this man here. He was the other old. Is it the old advisor?
Oh yes.
The village advisor.
Yes.
We're talking about the Korean people, and then he recommended me to go look for a 97-year-old guy, or a man there who will tell me more about the Korean culture.
Okay.
And I really want to break it through. I really like the Korean culture because I knew Korean people long time ago since I was a kid. We learned the Korean people because it's where is it the Maji? Is it the what?
Maji rebellion.
Is it the Maji rebellion?
Yeah.
That Maji was from Tanzania.
Yeah.
They are the ones who are part of it, right?
Yeah.
So
we are Bantus.
Yeah. So that's why I'm so interested in it. Yes.
Okay. So we have a lot of cultures. If you get, I wish you guys could come here when it's circumcision period.
What year is that?
Exactly.
What time of the month is that?
After every 2 years. And you know we have like the clans.
Yes.
So we have people who we call the Barenchoka. And we have the Bakira. So as we are the Barenchoka. So we have the Bakira.
In Tanzania.
The Bakira is at the border over there. So from the border at the Sibania point, coming down to Nyabuhanse, that is the Barenchoka. So when we are circumcising, they are not supposed to circumcise. When they circumcise,
you guys don't have to, because you guys visit each other when they're doing it?
You can visit.
It's just like in Jamaica. So you have churches, and when one is keeping like a concert, the other one don't keep it. And when that one keeps a concert, then because they have to visit each other. Same thing.
So when is this going to happen again, the circumcision period?
I think
I would be back. I'll be back.
I think now it's next year, because this is the year that last year we circumcised. So this year, next year now.
I want to come here next year too. But if I could know what time of the month, then I could arrange.
I think early March.
But
like in this period you are in.
But the only thing, I want to come when the boss is here. The boss have to be here too. If the boss not here, it's going on, I'm going to wait.
I'll personally be here.
You'll really enjoy. And I don't know if you have tasted something called, we call it busara. Busara. It's local drink, our local drink. They use it mostly.
Is it alcohol?
No.
What's it made of?
It's made of wheat. Wheat, water mixed with water, and so sweet. I'll bring you one. They are all over here in Nyabuhanse. It's refreshment. Especially
cold or hot?
You can get it cold, you can get it hot.
Depends on how you want it.
How you want it. So you can also buy it and put it in the fridge if you have.
I can't do too much cold stuff. My throat it mess it up. So it have to be room temperature. Something like that.
So you can get it hot. The way you want it. So sweet. So sweet.
I'd love to taste it, man.
That is one of our local drinks in the village. And we have also, that is the main thing that they use. It must be there when we have the.
It's a part of the tradition of it?
Tradition. We call it saro. The circumcision, we call it saro in our language. Saro.
Saro.
Yes.
So circumcision means sorrow.
Saro,
I want to break through all of that in one video. I really want to do it.
And you know, there's a story, like even I did that video. I have it. I don't know if you watched it. I went to the person who circumcised people locally. You're not supposed to go there.
You're not supposed to go there?
You're not supposed to go there if you're not from his clan. But now it came that, even me, I didn't know. I'm from his clan. So when you cannot go there if you're not from his clan. So he was giving me some stories. Like when there's a stone. Then it's like a cave. That is where he circumcises people. So you line up.
They do it traditionally.
Traditionally. You line up, you enter in, it cuts you, and you stand like this. When you shake, you give him 2 goats. You are not supposed even to do your eyes like this. You stand like this.
Like nothing happened?
Yeah?
Like nothing happened.
Yeah, just like this. You are not
So
supposed to.
I won't be crying. I won't be crying.
So if you freak out, you're a chicken.
Yeah, if you freak out, you bring goat. So it's him to decide. He can even decide to tell you bring a cow.
Oh my!
So and,
you are not supposed to.
And it's a must to do it because it's culture.
A must. Yeah, it's culture. Even he was telling me, they are not even chosen. Like they are not. That thing just comes to you. Like the elders, the old people just come to you and say, now you are next. You're the one.
How old are you before they circumcise you? Or at what age?
It depends the age that you want. Even
you choose your own age or somebody?
Yeah, you can choose.
Okay,
it depends with your parents also.
So here you guys don't do circumcision like in
hospitals? Yeah, there are people who go to hospital. But
like for example,
but the culture, if I don't want
to be circumcised next year and I want to be circumcised like right now,
yeah, you can go. Yeah, you can go to the hospital.
Okay, I thought you don't have to be circumcised unless it's
it's your choice. It's your choice. And that guy told me it's a calling. Like the village, the old people in the village just come to you and say, today we came to you and the people have told us it's you now to take over the circumcision. And when the circumcision period come, he sleeps at night and those people call him from the stone. Yeah. You just hear people dancing dancing
from
in the
stone.
So you know this period is for circumcision. Yeah, so he just sleeps and hears people dancing, playing. Ritungu,
so,
we call it ritungu.
So like when they're doing circumcision, about how many people done it at that time? Like about 10, 20?
How many people do they circumcise?
Yeah,
a lot of them. A lot of them. A lot. Because you know they go very early in the morning.
Yes.
Very early, like 2.
2 a.m.
Yeah, you get a very big line from here to a very big line from here to the road.
Whoa, that's a
very big line.
Lot.
So and he does it just once. Just ra. You go ra. You go.
So they don't bleed. They don't bleed to death.
No.
What they do?
You are given some medicine, some herbal. Yeah, herbs.
Okay.
So you take it. You don't bleed.
Okay.
Yeah. So that guy and there's another stone. When you climb on top of that stone, if you're not married, you will never get married. Yes.
Whoa.
You will never. And he gave me some examples, and they are real.
I love those.
The people he told me, they don't have wives, and they are very old, like 70s, 80s.
Because they climb it.
Yeah, no wives.
Oh my! That they have a curse. You give them a curse.
Yeah, it's like a curse. When you climb that stone, you will never marry if you haven't married. You can never marry in your life.
Look at that.
Yeah. So you have to take care. You don't go there just like that.
No.
Yeah.
We have a place similar to that in my parish.
Yeah.
By the name of the Maroon Town. Yeah. And if you go there, because every year, I think it's in January or February, they have a ritual going up there. And if you go there and you do certain things, you turn a fool for the rest of your life. For example, if you go up there, I heard if they cook a lot of chicken, everything, pork, everything. And I heard that if you throw the bone, it's like you're a madman.
You become insane.
Yes. And those are Africans, real Africans. Those are the Africans that they take us from slave, and they didn't want to take it no longer. They run away. It's a hill, you know. They run away and they fight the English, and when they fight English, they defeat them, and the English have to retreat to them, and they have to give them that whole area until today. They don't pay no taxes, not at all, no government. They have their own government. They have everything up there. Yeah.
Also, they have their own government.
Yes.
Wow.
They are Maroons, come from Africa. Yeah, Africa.
Oh,
you know what I learned today?
Yeah.
Jamaican didn't belong to black people.
No, you didn't know that Jamaica.
I didn't know.
Did not inhabit by black people.
Oh.
You didn't know that?
I didn't know. That is a new thing, guys. Hey, tell us behind the comments, down the comment sections. They came from?
All the black people you see in Jamaica, they take them from Africa as slave. There was not a single black person in Jamaica. You didn't know that?
I didn't know. I didn't know.
My. Every Jamaican you see down there, they are African.
Wow.
Every single Jamaican. Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I thought you guys didn't know that, man. That's why you see most Jamaicans want to come back to Africa.
Oh, yeah.
Because they say this is our mother's land.
Yeah.
That's why I say it's our mother's land. This is where we came from. Our four parents, four parents, everybody come from here.
Yeah.
So they want to come back here.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Well,
yeah.
I'd really love
you
to.
Didn't know that?
I didn't know. I didn't know.
Oh, God,
that is a story that I've just heard here.
Yeah.
Guys, I really want to go to Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's nice, man. You see, if you go down there, the way if you go to Jamaica, the way they love Africa, they treat you like a king. Once you tell them you come from Jamaica, man, they treat you like a king.
Wow.
They will look at you like you is a god.
Mad love, Jamaica. Mad love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's a lot of them waiting right now to come to Africa. Sitting and waiting. Some of them put themselves in a circle by themselves, like a whole big place. Once a land, big, very big land. They plant, they own everything, and everything they do is African.
Wow.
And they're waiting right now for, they call it repatriation, something like that. I was watching it when D-Mango went there.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. They don't have to do they don't have to do with Jamaica because they just want to come back to their mother's land.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I learned that today.
Yeah.
You have learned a lot of things today.
Every black people that come to Jamaica
I'm stuck with
come
this
from
guy.
right here.
I'm stuck with this guy for almost two months. I'm gonna learn a lot.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna learn a lot.
Yeah, you'll really enjoy also this village.
I thought every African did know that.
Actually,
for me, I
so
didn't
many
know.
Africans don't know.
Look at that.
Because research is not in the African blood.
Okay.
They don't do research.
Okay.
They just live their lives.
Okay. Yeah, man.
But I think they do, but that one is so deep.
No. What they do is this young generation, new generation.
Yeah.
Because of school, because they want to know, because they want to go there.
Yes.
That's
yes,
it.
Yeah.
But someone like my dad, for example, telling him to go to do research, what? No, he's not going to.
No
do
time for research.
And actually, what I know about Africans, they will do research of something that they want to do or to be part of.
Yeah.
But if they're not interested in something, then they won't do research to it. Yeah.
Maybe you can do research of how can I go to Jamaica, how Jamaicans live,
That's
but you can't go deep like.
Yeah. Type in Google, man, and find out how.
You know, the reason why I think they don't do that is because, these...
It's kind of politics thing, like.
Exactly.
Politics.
This is why people, they put what they want
try to
us
hide
know.
certain things from black people, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if we go deep into that, we will
they feel
get knowledge.
You're empowered.
Exactly.
And they might be going to get defeated. They don't want that.
We'll get wrong ideas.
Yes.
That's why.
Yes.
Hi, Kenya.
Yeah,
Kenyans.
Yeah,
and
man.
How do you see Kenya like a country?
Man, I see.
Apart from, let's say, Nyabwanse, the village, Kenya as a whole.
I love it. Although I just going on just a little place in Tanzania, but Kenya, I love everything that I see here, and I enjoy it. And the people there are so nice and friendly.
And did you know that Kenya, Nairobi, is one of the cities in Africa that is more advanced?
Yes.
One of them.
But the bad thing, when I came there, it was night. I didn't get to see. Yes.
We'll go there.
Nairobi, but Nairobi is very, very hectic.
I want to go back there now in the daytime when I'm going back to the airport. That I can see everything. I want to do that.
It's very beautiful, but very hectic.
Yeah.
People are like.
Yeah, it's like Manhattan. It's like Manhattan.
Everyone is busy.
It's like Manhattan. Same thing.
Manhattan.
Yes, Manhattan in New York.
States.
Even a place over there in I was living in Brooklyn, and even a place over there they call Flatbush. Man, it was so crowded. I couldn't wait to leave from there and move to Georgia. You say if I'm working here, You see, people is like this close to the other. You have to wait and you have to push like that.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
New York,
exactly.
New York. That's New York. I know.
I hate it. I hate it. I
I
hate it.
know.
I hate
That
it.
is
I hate it.
Nairobi now.
I hate it.
And you know,
even in Kampala, that's
Yeah.
how it is.
I wouldn't live
Yeah.
in Library because of that.
Yeah, you know
Because of that,
Nairobi.
I would live in there.
You know in Nairobi, I can pass this way and I step on you, and I can't look at you, and I cannot say sorry.
You're
I
right.
don't have time for that.
Yeah.
You just
We are
go.
running.
Same thing.
People are running,
same
rushing.
Thing, same
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
I couldn't take it no more because when I was living in Jamaica, when I was like 18 years old, I went to Kingston because all my companion they gone to Kingston because Kingston is a city, and you know, working in Kingston, it make you feel like you achieve something in life. So I went there to test it out, and when I went there, I find out that it wasn't for me. And I was straight back because, you know, I'm a man that like to work for myself. Over there, it's so crowded, you don't have any like space. The house them are so close, no place to plant a little thing and anything. Yeah, where it was like tenement yard. People pack up on people. So I went back because I'm a man like that, want to do everything to survive. I went back to the country.
Yeah, but for me, I think Mombasa is somehow easy to live in Mombasa.
Yes.
Cheap and easy. People are so slow, so easy.
Yes.
You don't mind.
Who wouldn't love to live on the coast?
I'm telling you.
I really love the coast. People are so easy, so calm. You just. But I really wonder about Mombasa. What I really wonder about it.
Yeah.
Did you know that Mombasa and Zanzibar was one?
Was one.
Yeah. Did you know about that? Yeah, long time ago. Mombasa and Zanzibar was one place before the German and the Britons start partition that place.
Okay.
It was one place for the Indians and the Arabs.
Okay, so you tell me from Mombasa to Zanzibar, it's near.
Yeah, it's the border.
The
border, because that place was for the sultans, the king. The Arab kings were called the sultans. That place was theirs. They were doing business there.
So
that's why the former governor of Mombasa was calling himself Sultan.
You know.
So
and that's why you find a lot of Arabs
on
the coast.
Okay.
So that place was one before the Britain and the Germans started to divide.
And I remember there's some time where Mombasa wanted to be a country.
Even Zanzibar now wants to be a country. It's more of independent now.
They have their own president.
They are not president, governor, and they also have their own flag. They also have their own national team.
And I think Mombasa tried that, and they were beaten.
Kenya has a different constitution. Different than Tanzania. Kenya is more like of powerful.
The government is powerful more than the
Tanzanians, of course. Even like the history of Migori, you know how they fought over the lands and everything. I came here when I have done a little bit of research.
And you know, Tanzania, even the people have power more than government. Even the people have more money even more than government.
Exactly.
But in Kenya, we believe that the government is the one that has money, and it's true.
Even in Rwanda, that's how it is.
But in Tanzania, the people, the normal people, they're the one that has money and they have more than the government. So that's why they are not controlled by the government.
They can buy
so many riches down there in Tanzania. You can never control.
Where does riches come from?
They have a lot of businesses. You know, when you go to Tanzania, even now here at the border, when you go in the morning, you'll just find everyone is doing his own business. Someone is selling maize. Someone is. They don't mind about government jobs.
Tanzania was influenced way before because of the Indian Ocean. The people came through Zanzibar to Dar es Salaam coast. Like it was influenced long time ago. That's why people there have money, because they did business long time ago in the 1900s. I think that's the only reason why. And remember, Tanzania doesn't extract any minerals in their land. They got everything there.
They don't.
They don't.
They don't.
They don't.
Well, they're just saving it?
Yeah, they're just saving it. They tell you that's for our country. If we have the industries ready to make our minerals, we will start extracting them.
Okay.
Right now, we're not selling oil, we're not selling gold, we're not selling diamond.
Yeah.
Wow,
But you know the main thing in Tanzania, I think that brings a lot of money in people in Tanzania. There's a lot of gold. The land, you can go in every meter you walk, you get gold. Even there's someone you can get. He has a house like this, this compound, and it's full of gold. You know, so he has people there working.
Right.
Yeah.
You know,
selling gold.
they say facts. They say gold comes in dry places.
Dry places.
Like you know, Tanzania. The whole of Tanzania actually is like a white desert.
Okay.
It got this white soil. White soil.
Yes.
So and you know, gold. We have white gold and we have yellow gold.
Okay.
Yellow gold can be found in plenty bulks in deserts, yellow deserts like the Sahara deserts and what. And this white gold, Tanzania is rich in white gold. Because of their white soil. That's why you find Tanzania is very hot and their soil is really white.
Yeah.
The whole of Tanzania actually, starting from there Serengeti. Down, everywhere.
You have gone to Serengeti?
Me, man, I've been to Tanzania, like the whole of Tanzania. I've been traveling to Tanzania, like, I know Tanzania a lot because my dad drives those lorries,
trucks.
Those trucks. So
Okay.
I have to know.
Okay.
Wow.
Amazing. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for having us. We're just going to cross over and take my uncle for an adventure there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, man.
Also, we have a hole for gold somewhere here.
Around what?
Here. Gold.
Gold?
Yeah, somewhere here.
Let's go look for gold, man.
It's there, but I don't think right now it's there's a hole they used to dig.
So you don't have gold?
Huh?
You don't have gold?
No.
Why don't you have gold?
You know, it's for someone, so you can't go just.
Who's that?
It's somewhere there, I'll show you.
Okay.
Near Mayugno's place.
Somebody usually dig over there, right?
Yeah, they used to dig, but
I see it on
you saw it?
YouTube. I saw it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a hole there.
Why don't you do it anymore?
Because I think you know, they got tired. People here are very lazy, and you know, to get the gold, there's that route. Yeah, and you're looking for that. It's called they call it a route.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's that something
Channel,
you see,
like
a
a
channel.
Yes.
So you follow it.
Okay.
So you can dig here this way, and then it takes you this way.
Right.
Very long.
Yes.
So people got tired. They said, we can't follow up with this. Yeah.
When I was coming, when I was in the bus coming straight out from Rwanda,
Yes.
I saw, is it Kisumu? Kisumu, I think I was amused by Kisumu. I was amused by Kisumu.
Yes.
Kisumu is very beautiful.
Yes.
Kisumu has white soil, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I thought Kisumu might have gold. Because everywhere you find white soil like that, and very like, it's a plateau.
Okay.
I think that place has gold.
Africa is a very rich place.
Yeah.
For sure.
Even at Nasto's place, when he was digging a borehole, we found the stones that shows that there's gold around.
in that area?
Yeah.
Okay.
But now you can't dig.
I saw that in a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think this place is just around here. You can get a lot of gold. Yeah. So thank you so much for being on my channel, bro. And
thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And this is Jamaican uncle.
Yeah.
All the way from Jamaica.
Yes.
In the place where our mother, our foreparents came from.
Yes.
And I'm so happy to come and lay my foot on the soil.
Yes.
In fact, when I came through the gate, I have to take off my shoes, take off my socks, and walk and get grounded with mother's land.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, man.
To the nature.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Yeah, man. So please go and subscribe.
Yes.
Share, like, and watch the video to the end.
Yes.
And we're going to have plenty more to go.
Yeah, and more videos coming, me and you, of course.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, if you allow me.
Yeah, we are taxing, man.
Yeah.
We are taxing, man.
Yeah, my people expect more videos with me and this team here.
Yeah, man.
More videos coming.
We got to.
And challenges.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We got to.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're
May
welcome.
God bless you. Peace and positive vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, until our next video, guys. Peace and positive vibes always.
Yeah, man. Peace and love.